it's truly an honor and a childhood dream coming true that I wish to visit Israel. It's been a wonderful meeting with all your colleagues from your cabinet.
Yes.
It has been a delight to visit historical sites, the West Wall, the city of David. I've enjoyed every single moment of my visit to Israel. The hospitality of the people of Israel, the affection that the people of Israel, the government of Israel have shown is memorable. And I do believe we have two strategic partners, two friends who can work together, whose economies complement each other, and having signed the terms of reference for a potential free trade agreement between Israel and India, I see tremendous possibilities for the innovation that Israel is famous for, coupled with the talent and skill and scale of India.
Absolutely.
Can become a force multiplier for global good. Wonderful meeting you, Honorable President. I'm grateful to you for your time, and I bring with me the greetings of Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
Great friend.
I bring with me the warmth of the friendship between the people of India with the people of Israel, and I'm sure this visit will lay the groundwork for much stronger economic ties between the two countries.